Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Feel It, Then Move On from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Feel it, then move on. As long as you care, you will hurt. To say you won't feel anything in life would be saying you're not human. We're emotional beings who originate from the divine, but we're also housed in a physical body. That means we feel rejection sometimes, but the only sin would be to give in to bitterness or fear. The proper way to feel rejection is to feel it, then move on, and be the best version of you. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was awesome. And I believe this. I believe that, yes, there's lots of things that can happen in your life that you don't like and you feel that shouldn't have happened. But they happen. And you can't change it. And some things you can't change. It's just the way it is. That's why you gotta feel it. Yes, you will feel it. But move on. Let it go. Let those things go. It was a lesson that you needed to learn that sometimes can't be explained. Stop trying to explain it to yourself. You'll just drive yourself crazy. Just remember, slow your vibrations, keep the negativity away, and follow love. You'll be happy. I believe that. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day.